Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get more display resolution options in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your system unit and wait for your Windows 11 computer to completely load up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding with the next steps to ensure smooth navigation through the settings. Once your PC is ready and everything has loaded, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on it. The Start menu will open up, revealing a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Advanced Display Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will direct you to the Advanced Display Settings window, which gives you deeper control over your monitor's capabilities beyond the standard settings most users access. From the Advanced Display Settings menu, look for a link that says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. This option is crucial because it opens up the Properties window where your graphics card's full capabilities are listed. Go ahead and click on this link and a smaller display adapter window will appear on your screen. This window contains detailed information about your graphics adapter and its supported modes. Within this display adapter window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Look for a button labeled List All Modes and click on it. This button is your gateway to unlocking all the valid display modes and resolutions your system can actually support. Many users don't realize that Windows 11 sometimes hides certain resolutions in the standard display settings, but this menu reveals everything your hardware is capable of. After clicking List All Modes, a new window will appear showing you a comprehensive list of all available display modes and resolutions. Take your time to browse through this list and find the resolution that best suits your needs, whether you're looking for higher resolution for sharper visuals or a different refresh rate for smoother performance. Simply select your preferred option from the list by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, click the OK button to apply this new resolution to your display. Your screen may flicker briefly as it adjusts to the new settings, and you'll now be using the resolution you selected. You've just unlocked additional display resolution options that weren't visible in the standard Windows settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.